Looking to streamline your store's navigation? The Magento 2 menu settings show you how to enhance navigation for a better shopping experience. This video dives into optimizing menu settings for improved Magento UX. Magento menu settings boost store navigation with customizable mega menus and mobile layouts. Enhance user experience and performance, ensuring intuitive and engaging navigation. Ideal for any store, these settings streamline category management and elevate customer satisfaction. Here are essential strategies for configuring and modifying the Magento 2 admin menu to enhance user experience. Define basic structures and access controls for secure, logical navigation, while custom menu items and mobile optimization ensure responsive and intuitive access. Visual enhancements, performance features, and dynamic content support create a customized, efficient navigation experience that simplifies management and improves user engagement. You can find 6 Magento 2 store menus, main and subcategory menus for organized product navigation, layered navigation with filters for efficient searches, product page menus for detailed information, breadcrumbs for easy tracking, and a service menu for quick access to support, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Basics of Magento store menu settings include streamlined menu depth, engaging dropdowns, and customizable configurations. Visibility settings display relevant categories. Optimized menus enhance device responsiveness and intuitiveness. We hope this video has been helpful. Like this video, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights on improving your Magento store's performance.